Hey guys, Alvin here. I'm really excited to announce I'm going to be doing a 10 video series on George Bridgman's style anatomy here on YouTube from this book, Bridgman's Complete Guide to Drawing from Life. We got it on Amazon for about $15, so if you want to follow along you can get the book, but that's totally not required. You can just follow along with the drawings that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be drawing directly from the book, so for each of the 10 videos, which I'll list the titles down in the description, I'm going to be doing probably 5, 6, or 7 drawings that I feel are the best drawings that you'll get the most out of. A couple of my favorite all-time comic book artists, Jim Lee and David Finch, both said that they studied directly from Bridgman like I'm going to do here. Anyway, the first 2 minutes will be free, and then there'll be a link to my Patreon. No, I'm just joking. Everything's going to be free here. I'm not, one of those artists who does that. But anyway, I'm really excited to start this video series. So if you can subscribe and join me on this Bridgman Anatomy journey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, or I'll see you in the first video. Alright, thanks. Bye.